Most real estate agents won't say this because it makes the market look weak, but buyers have a massive advantage right now. Some sellers still think it's 2023. They're pricing their homes way too high, and those listings are sitting for 60, 90, or even 120 days with almost no activity. And that's your opportunity. On a $1 million home, you can negotiate up to $50,000 off the price, or use that money for a rate buydown, closing costs, or repairs. This kind of buyer leverage didn't exist 6 months ago, when every home had multiple offers and buyers were fighting over properties. But most people make this mistake. They say, "Let me wait a little longer, the market will get even better." It doesn't always work that way. When interest rates drop, buyers flood back into the market instantly. Competition returns overnight, and your negotiating power disappears. Right now is a rare window. Rates haven't dropped yet, buyers are tired, and some sellers are getting desperate. This is exactly when smart investors strike. If you want help finding properties where you can negotiate big and build wealth fast, call or text us 408-888-3855. The California Care Real Estate Group team will help you make the smartest move.